Okay, guys, so now we're going to solve another problem, which is the factorial of a number. This is just pure math. Remember the factorial of 1, it's equal 1. The factorial of 2, my bad, this goes the other way around. Let me correct this, if not someone's going to hang me. There you go. Factorial of 2 is 1 times 2, and it's equal to 2. Factorial of 3 is that's the 1 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Or if you want to be like a little fancier, it's the 3 equals 2 factorial times 2 factorial. And so on. I mean, 4 equals 24 factorial 4. And the factorial of 5, it's 120, and so on. Okay, which is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Okay, 20 times 6, 3, 6, 60, 120. Right, I'm right. Okay, so this is pretty much what we're gonna need to do. Okay, so the input is gonna be the number. I'm gonna write it down. This is gonna be our input. And we need to calculate the factorial using this, okay? So it's basically multiplying a number times all its previous numbers, right? So this one should be really, really easy.